Alright, here with the winning coach again, the second time saying that, in terms of our finals. Coach, first question, how does it feel?
It's a wonderful feeling. I think we put in a lot of work this season. After last season, we were a little bit disappointed with ourselves. I think we went back and we did a lot of assessment and we made some changes. And today actually showed in terms of our preparation overall. So I'm really pleased with the boys.
Coach, last year, Kingston College beat in a final. Did you want them in a final this season, for a bit of payback?
Not payback, but it wouldn't be good winning all titles in a schoolboy football season and JC and KC don't play. I think the rivalry that both of us have, it's a staple. And we want to give the fans that, and I think we gave them a very good game today.
Alright, speaking about Kingston College, how did you prepare for them today? We saw what they did against Clarendon College. With Davion Richards took over. How did you prepare for the team and for that one-man show that we would have seen at the latter parts of this game?
I can say it now. I couldn't say it before the game. Davion Whisper, top talent. I play have a lot of respect for. But we saw areas within the team that if we allow them not to play that much in transition around the counter-attack, I think we would have gotten justice. We did a little bit of tweaking in our system. We tried to block the supply line to him. In the last, our winger actually allowed a free pass there. They won a free kick. And the special player that he is, he came up trumps for them. I made the last 10 minutes a little bit antsy. But I think we held on in the end and we held our nerves.
Alright, ultimately Jamaica College are the winners. So let's speak about your team for a second. You made a very important tactical decision this season, coach. Playing Tariq Zimini not as a defender but as an attacker. A couple of shaky games, but this was the game that he arrived at the biggest stage. Coach, speak to me about that change and what did he offer to your team in this final?
I know that kid from he's about 10 or 11 years old. I know him very well. I've always seen him as an attacker. Defensively for me, he's okay. But offensively, he can be a weapon in any team, in any competition. What we wanted to do was to build up his condition, so we play him along the sides a few games. When we assessed the KC backline and how they play, we knew that this was the game for him, definitely. We went for it and it worked.
Is that a position change, coach, or just to serve you well this season?
Well, there's one game to go in the season. I don't know. The key right now is to get these youngsters recover. I know Clarendon College is here watching us. We'll watch them also, and then we'll prepare for that game accordingly.
One more player, Makwan Aldridge. What a game, coach. Speak to me about that addition and what we saw from him today. He looked to be on it from minute one.
Good player. I think today he had moments off the ball though that he has to clean up. He has tremendous potential, but he has to clean up his off the ball work. If he can clean up his off the ball work with his on the ball ability, I think the sky is the limit for him. But an excellent player, good goal, and he deserves it.
Alright, coach, one more game to go, the Olivier Shield. Treble on the cards?
Definitely. I think we owe it to our urban supporters. I think we are the standard bearers now, so we definitely have to do it. It won't be easy though, because CC and Coach Zuleni, they're a good team, but we're going to prepare for that one.
Alright, coach, thank you for talking to us and congrats again.
Yeah, man.